In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Project Cost Estimate in the settings, QuickBooks Online. If you're tracking project profitability, one of the simplest ways to make your costs more accurate is by showing the items table on your expense and purchase forms. This lets you record detailed line items with products or services, quantities, rates, and most importantly, link those costs to a customer or project. When your expenses are itemized and tied to a project, your estimates and actuals align more clearly, and your reports become far more useful. Let's get this turned on. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the gear icon, which opens your company settings and preferences. From there, select Account and Settings. This is where you manage company-wide options that affect how forms behave and how data is captured. Once you're in Accountant Settings, navigate to the Expenses tab on the left side. This tab controls how bills, expenses, and purchase forms work. Within this area, locate the option labeled Show Items Table on Expense and Purchase Forms. Turn this on. What this does is add a dedicated items grid to expenses, bills, checks, and purchase orders. So instead of entering a single total to an account, you can list each product or service line. That extra detail is what feeds accurate job costing and project reporting. After you enable the option, click Save. QuickBooks will confirm the change, and it applies immediately to all users in your company file. That's all you need to do to enable it. A couple of tips to make the most of this setting. When you create a new bill or expense after saving, you should now see the items table. Use it to select specific products or services, set quantities and rates, and assign each line to the correct customer or project. The more precisely you itemize, the better your cost tracking will be. If you collaborate with a team, let them know this is now the preferred way to enter costs, so your data stays consistent. Also, if you don't see the option, you may need the proper user permissions or a supported subscription level, since some settings vary by plan and role. To recap, click the gear icon, choose Account and Settings, go to the Expenses tab, enable Show Items Table on Expense and Purchase Forms, and click Save. With that, your expense and purchase forms are ready to support clearer, more reliable project cost estimates.